Hello friends, the purpose of this video is to help you in inserting the slide master on PowerPoint and also to help you as to how do we add a pointer or how do we use a pointer while making a presentation. So let's cover the first part, which is how do we use the slide master. So what I have done is that all of you must have received a template file from PurpleWest, and this is what the template file is. And so I've opened this template file, and I've also opened the destination PowerPoint where I want these changes to appear. So what I'm doing is I am now opening this slide, which is the template slide. I'll go to view and click on slide master. So this will give me the slide master view, which means it's the background and everything that I want to set as standard, which is visible to me now. And I'll go to the other PowerPoint and I'll also do the same thing here, view, slide master, and this gives me the master view of this PowerPoint as well. So I've got both the PowerPoints open in the slide master view. Now, for example, this is the slide where I've got the PurpleWest logo and the footer as well. So I want I want to use this as the master. So what I'll do is I'll select this slide. Remember that I'm still in the slide master view, and one of the ways to check whether you are on the slide master view is that you will always get this button, which is close master view. So as long as you see this button, that means that you're actually viewing the slide master and not the actual slides that you have made. So this is the slide master which is visible to you. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to this left side where I see a preview of all the slides, and I'll select the one that is relevant for me, and I'll click copy. I'll select copy by doing the right click. I'll do the right click and select copy, and I'll move to my other PowerPoint where I want the changes to happen. And here also I can see that I'm in the slide master view. So what I'll do is anywhere between these slides, I'll select any space here on the left hand side, and I'll click on paste. So when I click on paste, so this slide, which was my slide master from the other one, also appears here now. Now what I'll do is I'll go to close master view, and I'm back to my original PowerPoint. Right, so this is the same PowerPoint. As you can see, the road not taken is the title of it. So now the next step is to apply the slide master to these slides which I have already prepared. So now that is fairly easy because at first what we have done is we have inserted that slide master into this PowerPoint. Now we have to apply it. In order to apply it, I just have to first of all select the slides where I want to apply. So let's say I want to apply it on all the slides. So I'll just select all of these slides. So by doing so one way to select all of these slides is to press Ctrl and A. So when I do Ctrl and A, it selects all of these slides. Otherwise, I can select any of these slides, press the Shift key and select the last one. So if I select last one and the first one using the Shift key, everything in between gets selected automatically. So now I've selected all of these slides, and this means that I want this master to be applied on all of these slides. So after selecting this, I'll go to layout, and I'll see various types of layouts which are available here, and one of these will be the one that I recently inserted. I'll select that one. And as you can see that now on every slide, I've got the PurpleWest logo, I've got the footer, I've got the font size, the font colors and everything. It's got modified according to the master that I had inserted. Now, because the slides were made with a different font earlier, with a different font size, of course there are some changes that we will have to readjust, which we can readjust separately. But what we can see is that the PurpleWest logo, the footer, everything is visible on all of these slides. Now what I would like to do is I've got this last slide, and this last slide is the one where I do not want, because this is a thank you slide, I do not want the master to be visible. It looks awkward. this line is there, and then we have this logo and the footer. I just want thank you and stay home, stay safe things to appear. I want to unapply the layout only for this slide. So what I'll do is I'll again go to the left, I'll select only the slide, and I'll again go back to layout, and okay, so this is the only option which is available. And so what I'll do is I'll go to so I think that's not possible right now, but there's a different way on which I will guide you separately. There is a small thing that I'll have to do here in order to make that happen. Yeah, otherwise what I'll do is I'll simply click on undo, and I'll unapply the slide master to all of these slides. And as you can see that the PurpleWest thing has gone away. So what I'll do is I'll select all of these slides except for the one on which I do not want this master to appear, except for this thank you slide. I'll select all the slides where I want to apply this layout. I'll select on the layout and select this blank one, and yeah, so you can see that entire thing now has the PurpleWest logo except for the slide. So that's basically all about inserting the slide master. And now the next one is that there are some people who are asking questions about how do we use the pointer when we are putting the slide in the full screen mode. So I'll go to the full screen mode, and you can see that the slide is now in full screen, and but I need the pointer to appear. So one way is that I do the right click and look at pointer options, and I select a laser pointer. So if I select a laser pointer, as I'm speaking, I can move my cursor with help of the mouse, and I can point at the relevant text that I want to attract the attention of the viewers to be. And another one is that I go to the pointer option and select highlight, and I can highlight the text as I'm speaking. That okay, if I want to highlight some keywords, then of course I can use the mouse and I can highlight the text. And going back to the pointer options, select the laser pointer, I can come back to the laser, and that's how I can continue with my presentation. So that's all, friends. In case you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me back. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.